Hey there, it's Tricia with Easy E-mini Trade, and I'm going to show you another Ichimoku example on CL from this morning, and I'm going to be going over the Ichimoku components and the different setups that you can trade using it at a webinar tonight that I'm giving at 7 p.m. So if you want more info on that, just go to my site, Easy E-mini Trade, and choose the upcoming webinar tab at the top of the page. So what you're looking at right now is CL this morning on a 15-minute chart. That's just what I pulled up on it. You can see the cloud here, and basically the whole point in the Ichimoku is that at a glance you're supposed to be able to know what direction you're looking to take the trade. So with price being above the cloud, you're looking for longs. Now I'm not talking about scalping on a really small chart. I'm talking the bigger picture here. So price is above the cloud, so you would be looking for longs, and you'll find that the cloud, the top end or the bottom end, will often hold as support. This pinkish line that you see here, this is the Kijun line, that also can often act as support or resistance, or an area that you can take a pullback entry from. So you can see this is pre-market, obviously, price going very sideways, runs into the cloud, and you could of course take a bounce off this area here. Now you're looking at this on a 15-minute chart. That's a little large to trade on CL if you're just day trading, depending on how you're taking your entries off the smaller chart. But you could then drill down to a smaller chart and fine-tune your entries, which I'll go over this evening. But in looking at this, you could have bought the bounce off the cloud here, or you wait until you can see here price had this area here where it had created swing high here, and then it was holding that general area all the way through here, pop through. This is the Chico line. This is really powerful, and when you see that breaking above a strong support or resistance line, you can take the breakout. And it's crazy how often just watching for that to happen and it works out pretty well. But you could, like I said, drill down to a smaller chart to fine-tune your entry, but in looking at this as it's happening off the larger chart, you can see that price is getting ready to break out as it's approaching that blue line that I just drew, and the Chico line is trying to break through there, and then you find a way to get in. I'm not saying you can't get in off a 15-minute chart, but obviously the larger the chart, the larger the stop. So this is just one simple component, the cloud, but you can see even just that how powerful it is. And I shouldn't say it's a simple component. I'm going to say it's the main component of trading the Ichimoku. So I'll go over a whole lot more info tonight, and if you have any questions, shoot me an email. The webinar will be recorded, so everybody who registers will get the recording as well as the presentation slides. Okay, hope you all have a fantastic day. Take care.